Hello and namaste everyone. I am Samiksha Baral, BPT second year student from Pokhara University, Pokhara, Nepal, and today I am here with a new video. In this video, I will be sharing with you all the subject and the books of the BPT first year in Pokhara University. In upcoming videos also, I will try to come up with the BPT second semester and third semester subjects and the book. So for now, without doing any delay, let's start the video. Talking in context of Nepal, there is semester system, and in India there is yearly system. So in first year there are 2 semester, and in first semester there are 6 theory subjects and the 2 practical subjects. Among those 6 theory subjects, they are anatomy 1, anatomy 2, physiology 1, introduction to physiotherapy, microbiology and biochemistry. And in those 2 practical subjects, they are practical of anatomy and physiology and the laboratory of the basic physiotherapy equipments. So now I will talk about the subjects and the book of the BPT first semester. So the first subject is anatomy 1. In anatomy 1, there is introduction to the general human anatomy and about the upper limb. So for the general human anatomy, we do read the Handbook of General Anatomy by B.D. Chaurasia. In this book, we get the knowledge about the basic human anatomy. And now talking about the upper limb. For the part of the upper limb, we do read the volume 1 of B.D. Chaurasia's Human Anatomy. In this book, there is orientation to the upper limb and the related topic. So now in the anatomy second, there are lower limb and the pelvis. So we do study the volume 2 of the B.D. Chaurasia's Human Anatomy. In this book, there is orientation to the lower limb and the pelvis of the human body. And now talking about the introduction to physiotherapy subject, it is the core subject of for the student of physiotherapy, and for that subject there are 2 books in the first semester. The first book is The Principle of Exercise Therapy by Dina Gardner. In this book, there are principles of basic exercise therapy. And the next book is this Therapeutic Exercise. This is a very big book. We should not read all the chapters from this book, but some of the selected topics for the first semester. This book is by Caroline Kirchner. This is the book for foundation and technique for the therapeutic exercise. So these are the 2 books for the introduction to physiotherapy subject. Now talking about the physiology 1. In first semester, we do study about the hematological system and musculoskeletal system. So for that book, there is a wonderful physiology book by Guyton and Hall, the textbook of medical physiology. It is one of the best books to study about the human physiology. So from this book, we study the physiology for our first semester. And now talking about the subject biochemistry. This is the book for which we study the biochemistry. In biochemistry, we study about the biological chemistry happening inside our body, and this is the book best for the biochemistry, and some other books are also available to study about the subject biochemistry. And now talking about another interesting subject in first semester, that is microbiology, the study of microorganism. And for that study, one of the best book is this Microbiology by Ananta Narayan and Panikkar. It is one of the best book to study about the microbiology, and that was one of my favorite subject during the first semester. And now talking about the practical subject, the first one is anatomy. In the anatomy practical, we were taken to the cadaver, and our anatomy teacher used to show us the nerve and blood supply and the muscles in the cadaver itself, and we used to study the bone from the artificial skeleton and sometimes from the natural bone of the cadaver also. So that was the very interesting part of studying anatomy. And now talking about the physiology, there was basic hematological practical. We used to count the number of RBC in the blood. We have learned how to differentiate the blood group, and these are the basic practical in the physiology for BPT first semester. And the next practical is of physiotherapy, that is introduction to physiotherapy. That was the subject where we were oriented about the basic topic of the physiotherapy and the topic which we were going to read in the further semester. That was also a very interesting subject. So these are the subjects which are included in the BPT first semester. I have mentioned the book which we had studied, and also there are other book also where there are other detailed knowledge about those subjects. According to the interest, other student can consult to those books also.